Hi, so I've been trying to install Mojave on this 2010 Mac Pro, and I've had no luck with the High Sierra installer. I've had to download the High Sierra installer using DOS patcher program to download the complete source, and I put that source onto a USB stick and had no luck installing it. So I punted and went back to El Capitan. So this system is now running El Capitan. And I basically figured, well, I can't go from El Capitan to Mojave on the 2010 Mac Pro. So I basically put the little USB installer back in there that has High Sierra on it. And yeah, you can see the little key thing. That's the USB installer. And I had no luck installing the firmware update with the USB installer. So here, when I put the installer in, I clicked on the installer and, well, let's start over here. I clicked on the installer and I got this firmware update screen. And before, running this thing from the USB key on USB boot, I couldn't install this at all. So now, from running this thing on the El Capitan, I can hit shutdown and it actually does something now. Before it wouldn't do anything. And I'll put in my password here and we'll see what happens. Okay, password, add the helper. Let's see what this does. This has been very frustrating. Okay, maybe this is going to work. Let's see if it does. Looks like it's doing some firmware magic there, I hope. When it comes back up, I'm going to hold down the power key for... Okay, we're down. So that's something I couldn't do from the installer. So installing El Capitan and running the High Sierra installer has been helpful. Let's see if this will work now. I'll hold this down until it blinks and let it up. Blinking, let it up. Okay, what happens on the screen? There's the chime. This should shut down again. Good, there's the firmware update right there. It's going in. Thank goodness. I've tried this for a day. Yep, the drive went out like it does. Alright, so this is finally High Sierra firmware going into a 5.1 Mac Pro. And so I had to backgrade to El Capitan and then install the latest High Sierra, which I think is the final High Sierra upgrade, which I forget the exact number of it. It's not 10.6, I think it's 10.13 or something. And this will put the patch on to firmware to allow me to install High Sierra. So let's see how this goes. I think at 90% this thing will reboot. Yep, there it goes. So now, it should come back up. The drive is closed, that's good. It should come back up with El Capitan here. So that's a good thing. There it comes. Okay, so I probably now could run this thing off the installer. So I could probably now put the El Capitan, put the High Sierra USB key in and hold down the options key and boot directly from that and install High Sierra. So I'm going to try that next. I really don't want to go back into El Capitan now and upgrade that way. Hey, thanks for watching. Have a great day. So that's how to do your firmware upgrade. Go back to El Capitan, fresh install, and then from your High Sierra USB key, put the firmware grade in using El Capitan, and it'll work. Thanks for watching. Have a great day.